In the last episode, you saw us squeeze this into the back of my van and get it back to here. Welcome back to part 2, where we can't get it out. Let's re-watch the footage of putting it in.
Oh! Alright, carry on.
We're out! Well done, everybody. Well, now it's time to deal with all the body and paintwork on the shell. So Chris will be jumping on that, dealing with everything we need to repair. We'll give you a quick walk around and chat about everything we will be doing with the body, and then I'll start showing you all the other bits and pieces. Right, the body is now in the paint booth and Chris has already started sanding it back. So we've got lots of things to deal with, like the cracks around the edges. It's obviously had some repairs before. This is a 1971 built beach buggy. It is registered as well as a 1971 beach buggy on the logbook, which is also unheard of. So not everybody did it properly. This one has been done properly, so that's cool. Bodywork wise, it's actually pretty good. There is some cracks here and there that we're just cutting into, so we can deal with that. We're going to delete the rear lights on the back. We're going to delete all the little tawny cover holes right the way round, and haven't quite decided yet on the filler cap, whether that is going to stay here with the fuel tank or we're going to move the fuel tank to the back. We have some headlights for it as well. I'll show you those shortly, but otherwise we just need to start sanding this right back, dealing with any cracks or repairs so we can get some primer on it. Somebody's actually done a flocking on the inside of all of this. We're going to strip this off as much as possible, clean everything up inside the tub, right the way round, and we will re-carpet this. I'm going to give it a go with some 4-way stretch carpet and make this all look nice again. We're going to have to make a board up in the back. It's not going to have a rear seat, but it'll have a board going across there. And we do have a roll cage for it as well, so we'll get the roll cage painted and check that out as well. But otherwise, it's a pretty cool project. We're all very excited, plus a little nervous, such a short time frame. But the good news is we have Heritage on board again. They have helped us out massively with the parts that we need. We've been speaking to them as soon as we got this, or knew I was going to get it, and given them a long list of parts that we need to get it together. And they've confirmed, and the parts are winging their way to us as we speak. So I'm looking forward to opening them boxes and showing you guys everything that we have. Parts for us?
Yeah, three boxes.
Oh, lovely. Cheers, buddy. Thank you. Chris has been a very busy boy. As you saw in that little clip there, he started sanding it all down to do the prep work, and he swiftly moved on to taking care of filling all the holes in the rear lights, doing the repairs around the edges, filling all the holes from the tawny cover as well. They're all gone, and yeah, generally just cracking on. So we're making some really good progress now, and tomorrow he will continue doing all these little cracks and repairs, all the pinholes, before we can get this into a good primer coat and block it back and get it as straight as possible. We're making good progress, only day one. We have 19 more days to go. Can we get it done? Who knows? this is my 1971 Volkswagen Beach Buggy, or what's left of it, and I plan to drive this all the way to Cornwall in 4 weeks' time. Can we do it? The benefit of buying this floor pan that's already been done and powder coated, it was actually powder coated in 2007, so it hasn't done bad at all, is it's already had boxing in around the edge for the extra strength on the floor pan. These are new floor pans both sides. It's an original spline through the middle, and it looks like it's had a new nose on the front. But to have all this done and already be powder coated has saved us massively. When I was looking on Facebook Marketplace, I was only looking for suspension units, you know, shock springs, rear arms, etc. Some torsion bars and a front beam, and yeah, fell across this. It's the perfect candidate. Obviously it doesn't build our long wheelbase beach buggy that we had planned to build, but it put, you know, some enjoyment back into the project that we've got a chance of getting it done. We've got 4 weeks to get to Cornwall for the 24th of May. It is today the 29th April, so we haven't got long. We've already started the project, we've got some bits underway, and today I've been cleaning this off, getting it nice and clean so we can deal with things like the edges here. Where it's been sitting and they didn't actually seam seal the joints, it started to rust a little bit. So we're knocking this off with a wire brush, treat all of the metal, and then we're going to seam seal it and then go around with some more gloss black and just tidy everything up to make it a good solid floor pan. But yeah, all in all, I'm very impressed so far. It's a good floor pan. Hopefully it won't take us too long. So join us over the following weeks where we transform this floor pan into a running, driving, air-cooled, no, we're going water-cooled beach buggy. Watch this space. Well guys, disaster. The welder has packed up. Yeah, we've got a nice floor now that's getting wrecked.